To begin, first look at the areas currently present in the project by clicking on the Areas button in the ribbon bar. Take note of how many areas you have to begin with. To import any type of data as areas, first hover over the Areas option until the drop-down appears. Then select the Import Geodata option. The Geo Import Wizard panel will open and will guide you through the process of importing data. Click on Next to continue. First select the desired data source. Opt to import data from a feature service, which includes a WFS. Then click on Next to continue. As the data is available from a source already known in the project by default, it can be selected from the list of existing feature services. Select CBS Buerton from the drop-down. Then click on Next to continue. The service offers a number of layers from which the desired data can be selected. Select Buerton, which represents the neighborhoods, and then click on Next to continue. You will see a preview of the data, allowing you to verify the lay and coverage of the features found in the feature service. No additional action needs to be taken here. Click on Next to continue. It is possible to filter the data before importing it, but often not necessary. This step can be skipped. Click on Next to continue. Ensure the selection is set to import the data as new areas. This will create additional areas in the project based on the found features. Then click on Next to continue. Neighborhoods have a name, and the data source lists that name in an attribute of the features. We can therefore opt to base the name of the created areas on such an attribute. Select Based on Specific Attribute. Then select the Buerton attribute. Then click on Next to continue. All attributes of the features can be imported, so long as they are numerical values. Generally, it is fine to import new features with all the attributes attached to them. Any attributes not explicitly used or consulted have no further effect on the project, but are available for use. No action needs to be taken here. Click on Next to continue. This concludes all the steps in the Geo Import Wizard. The data is now ready to be imported. Click on Finish to complete the import process and add the new areas to the project. You will now see in the list of areas all the neighborhoods which are present in the project area. This means the import was successful and the data is now ready for use.